Hello students, here I am your maths teacher and going to tell you how to construct a quadrilateral. So in this question you have given construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ is 6 cm, QR is 7.5 cm, RS and PS are equal 6.8 cm and PR is equals to 9.8 cm. Also you have to measure the length of its diagonal QS. So before starting the construction of this quadrilateral, you have to draw a rough figure, because by drawing the rough figure you will get the idea of how you have to start and how you have to draw the given quadrilateral. So as the name is given PQRS of a quadrilateral, you will draw one rough quadrilateral like this way. PQRS, name it PQRS. Okay, just see how I have given the name. I have rotate my hands outside the figure. I am not overlapping the figure like this way. It's your wrong method. In previous video also I will tell you how to name the quadrilateral PQRS. I have moved my hand anti-clockwise. You can move it clockwise also. It depends on you. Afterward, the things they have given in our question, you have to write here PQ is 6 cm, write it here 6 cm, QR is 7.5 cm, RS and PS they both are given 6.8 cm and 6.8 cm. PR, see P and R, it means you have to join it and it's the diagonal of this quadrilateral. This is given 9.8 cm. Okay, these things are given. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 togetherly from 10 parts of a quadrilateral. Again they have given us 5. In each and every question we will count how many things they have given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's enough to construct a quadrilateral. Now this quadrilateral can draw by a two-way. First I can draw it like take PQ as a base starting and also as a PR diagonal. So by first method I am drawing it. I will tell you both the way how you have to draw it. Now see, first I will take PQ 6 cm. So I will take P and Q 6 cm and I will name it PQ. At the same time as I draw the line, I have to write it is 6 cm. After you can see from rough figure from Q and R. QR is your 7.5. Means Q point, now we get the Q point. So Q as a center, we can cut an arc of 7.5 cm. So measure your 7.5. It's your 7.5. Okay. Afterward, P and R. P and R is your 9.8. Again, we'll take PR 9.8. Cut this like way. Two arcs at a point that both arc cut each other. This is your point R. Now join these 2 points. This is your QR and this is your PNR. Okay, I can write it as it is a 9.8 cm or this is 7.5. Like see, half figure is drawn there. Now from point R, you have to make an arc. This is of 6.8 cm. So again 6.8 you have to measure. This is your 6.8. From R as a center, one arc 6.8, and again from P it is 6.8. So it's already 6.8. Cut like this way, and this point is your S. The point where both arcs are cut each other. This is your point S. Join this point with P and Q also. And write down, it is your 6.8 and it is also 6.8. So this is your final figure, and you also can draw this figure. Now I am going to tell you the second method how you can draw it. Now in this you can draw it by another method. Now question is your, again I can draw rough figure. Second method I am going to tell you, PQRS. This is 7.5, and it is your 9.8. This is 6.8 and 6.8. Now in this I will take PR as a diagonal. Diagonal is there na? So I can take here 9.8. First of all I will draw the diagonal. Okay, 9.8 diagonal, and its name is PR. So see it here, I will write P and R, 9.8 centimeter. Okay, afterward 6.8 you are having RS, and so 6.8 you have to take on 6.8. It's your 6.8 from R, 6.8 again from P, 6.8. So you will get the point S where both the arcs are cut each other. Now join these 2 points, and it's also join it. Afterward S is there, write 6.8. As you are cut it and join the lines, write down the measurement also. Now again from P and Q it is your 6. So take it as a 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now P as a center, put an arc 6 centimeter, and now from R and Q it is your 7.5. 7.5. Okay, now cut this arc at 7.5. So I have to draw this arc again. Now this is your point Q. So I can join these 2 points again. See, this is your PQ is your 6 centimeter, and this is your 7.5 centimeter. So you can see this is your quadrilateral. You can draw by this method also, and this is also. By looking, these both are different, but if you turn it, then you can see they are identical. Okay, so you can draw a quadrilateral by any way, but you know the steps how you have to move. But with the help of rough figure you can do it. I hope you understand it. Thank you.